Hello all, welcome to Codify with Sonal. Today we are going to do a AWS Hands-On Lab and which will be on AWS Amplify. First I'll introduce you what is Amplify and then we'll go ahead with the demo. So let's start. So what is AWS Amplify? So it is a web hosting service and programming platform for creating and deploying your applications. Today the thing that we are doing is it is going to be a very simple one and later we'll take it to advanced levels. Okay, and all this things that I'm explaining to you is mentioned in the AWS documentation. I'll put the link in the description box below. So it assists programmers in creating complete web or mobile applications on AWS, leveraging all necessary AWS services. So what you can do is you can simply manage app content outside AWS interface with Amplify. You can establish a web application, a mobile app backend you can connect, and a lot of other things like connect your app in minutes. Visually, you can even build a front end UI. So this is a very interesting service, and you can also configure this with CloudFormation templates. And what is CloudFormation? We have discussed in so many walkthrough questions of solution architect. If anybody is preparing for AWS solution architect, I already have a playlist for the walkthrough questions and the way you can think. So I'll link it in the I button above. So today we are going to do a simple task, that is connecting user to the Amplify. How will the user connect to the Amplify? Okay. So let's start with the demo and go towards our AWS console. So here we are guys in our AWS documentation. As I discussed that all these things that we are going to do is mentioned in this documentation step by step. Okay. I'll put the link in the description box below. So basically, this contains about building a web application, taking it to the further levels, adding the serverless function and linking it to the web application, adding data tables, DynamoDB, and a lot of other things. So first, today we'll just do one module, and later in the next upcoming videos, we'll continue the further modules. So as of now, we'll just create a web app according to the steps mentioned. So the first thing that you need to do is log in into AWS console. So here we are in our AWS console. This is how you'll see it. And now let's search for Amplify. Okay. Here it is, AWS Amplify. You can just search it in the search bar above next to the services. Okay. And we'll just say get started. And right now we'll just host the web app. So we'll just say get started and we'll deploy without Git provider. Okay, because we are not involving Git right now. Okay, so now just give this app a name. We can just give it as Codify with Sonal app. Okay. Environment name as of now we'll just give it as dev and we'll choose the file. So now while choosing the file, so here you can see there's an index.html file which we have to zip it. Okay. So I've already done that. This is a very simple task. You can do it by yourself. And if you want, you can edit something in that HTML file. Okay. So I'll just upload that. Go to choose files and just select your zip file. Okay. As of now, it is index.zip as I've given the name. And just say save and deploy. Okay. So this will take some time. You can create lot of things in Amplify. You can just go and check out the service. So as you see this green bar, it means you have 100% successfully deployed your application and this is the domain that you have received. So just click on the domain and it will open a new tab saying welcome to Codify with Sonal. In my index.html, I just had a title as welcome to Codify with Sonal with the heading and all. So you can change the things inside HTML. So this is like basic thing how you can deploy your web application on AWS Amplify. Let me know if you have any issues in doing this and we'll take this lab to the further modules, okay, in the next video. Hopefully, today's session was useful to you and you grabbed some knowledge about it. We are going to do the other modules as well of this Amplify series. So stay connected and let's codify with Solal in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Please do subscribe to this channel. Also, do not forget to hit the bell icon to get a notification of the next updated video. Thank you.